obviously, as you said, William. Yeah, I do engineering. People call me an engineer. I don't think I am, but I do engineering. It's a field I'm in. And what else is there to know about me that's exciting? I think that's pretty much it. I'm an easygoing guy. I'm a father. I'm a husband to a beautiful queen by the name of Queen. And yeah, I am a father of 4 kids, 3 boys and a daughter. And I come from Soshanguve, that's 40 km north of Pretoria. But we currently live here in Centurion, just on the border of Midrand. Yeah, well, I think the physical exercises refreshes your mind, and when your mind is relaxed, you are able to make better decisions. It's a very long story, but how it started some years ago. I think it was 2013 or 14, and I was used to work for a company here in Joburg. We had a meeting here by Eskom, Enterprise Park, and then I saw a billboard that said 12 weeks challenge, and there's a nice looking guy there, and I since dreamed to look like that guy from 2014. And yeah, I've been trying to work towards that. Hopefully we're still on the path since that 2014, and been on and off gym, but I think recently I've gotten my consistency. Biggest milestone for me is weight loss. I think that's I'm generally a free-spirited guy. I'm not easy to stress, but weight really stresses me. So the biggest achievement for me, it's dropping the weight, and it actually dropped quite significant. So I'm very happy about that. I dropped from 103 kilograms to 87 on about. So yeah, that's the biggest one. Confident, I'm ready to face the world every day. Most definitely, yeah, it's life changing. I'm more confident, as I said, so that's everything. Better husband, most definitely, because I'm always with my wife. We gym together, and even when the other is lazy, the other one motivates the other. We push each other. Even in the kitchen, we kind of decide what to eat together, because we've got that consciousness of a healthy lifestyle. And I think my kids are also learning a lot from us, because they can see that, okay, there's hardly junk food in the house, and these guys are forever at gym, and we're generally much happier. So that's positive.
And how?
Yeah, I think it's one of the best. It's one of the best. Like, as I said, when I started in 2014, I joined on and off. When I moved to Centurion, Sunny Hill felt it a bit far. And then I stopped the gym here. I went to join the other gym in Centurion. And yeah, it wasn't the same. So I had to come back, had to sacrifice on the long drive, primarily because you've got here what you call fitness marshals. These guys are very key to anyone who starts a gym, because when you start, you're normally not sure what to do. So they're always there to guide you. So I found that model working very well.
And who?
Every human being, literally, because every one of us, I think we need to be healthy mentally and also physically. So I think everyone should definitely consider gymming. Yeah, look, it's not an easy one, but I would always say to them, gym is important, but most importantly, your kitchen. It's even more important. So fix your kitchen and just get off the bed and go work out. You'll be fine.